So how do I go about starting a YouTube channel? And what should I call it? What videos should I create? And how will I edit my videos? Keep watching to see how to set up your own YouTube channel. Diamond Education Hub presents online learning. This video is perfect for anyone who is considering setting up a YouTube channel this year. It's a good time to set up your channel. You could share videos and photos with loved ones or use it to promote a new business or hobby. It's the summer break at the moment, and most of us won't be traveling due to the current situation. So, why not take this time to make an account? YouTube is perfect for teachers who create their own resources for their students or for sale, to people who want to vlog their daily lives or share cooking tips. Either way, if you think that this is something that would suit you, keep watching. Maintaining a YouTube channel won't be easy. It will take a lot of work and dedication. However, creating video content is pretty straightforward to do, as long as you have content ideas. There are lots of free editing software apps that you can get for editing videos on your phone or computer, which will help you in creating videos. So how do I set up a YouTube channel? The first thing you will need to do is set up a Google Mail or Gmail account. Once you have this, you will automatically have the platform to host your own YouTube channel. Then you will need to think about a YouTube name. Think about who your channel audience will be. Will it be for students? Will it be for teachers? Will it be for people looking for DIY or cooking tips? When you have made that decision, you can incorporate the content of your channel with your channel name. For example, for DIY content, you could name the channel DIY Tips with Alan, or DIY Hacks 101. So go onto gmail.com and set up your account, if you don't already have one. Once you have set up your account, this is what you will see. Add in your phone number for verification, then read and sign the privacy policy. Then when you are in your Gmail account, click on the dotted square in the top right-hand side of the screen, and click on the YouTube icon to set up your account. Then click on the channel icon and select Create a Channel. Then click on Get Started. And you will be given two options. You can use your name or use a custom or brand name. Then select the option that you want, and click on Create. Give your channel a profile pic and add in some information, outlining what your channel will offer. Then add in links to your social media. You are almost there. Now you will need to create a channel banner. It's so important that you do this, as it will make your landing page look more professional. Now you are ready to upload a video. Check out our editing content, this will help you create your first video. Here is our channel page, fully updated and complete. We will be doing a part 2 to this video. We will show you some tips for customizing and promoting your YouTube channel. We hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.